Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Chelsea. In today's video, I am gonna do a plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin. I'm gonna do a monthly spread. So if you want to skip ahead to that, go right ahead. But first, I wanted to quickly show you guys the new monthly sticker kits and other stickers that we added to the shop last Friday. We have released some other new items since my last new release video, but I really wanted to show you guys the monthly sticker kits because I don't think I've shown those on my channel yet. So first, let me show you guys the freebie. So every time we have a new release on Fridays, we have a freebie as well. So if you order with us on Friday new release days, you'll get a special sampler or die cut or whatever. It's usually a cute little sampler like this, and it matches something from the release. So we have these new planner cart stickers. So our freebie features this really pretty pastel planner cart with some stickers on it. If you missed out, you might still be able to grab this on our website because we do list them for a limited time only while supplies last. We also have some sticker die cuts available in a bunch of different colors. There is a white one, but I actually used that already. It's in my planner, so that's why I don't have one here to show you guys. But yeah, we have a white one, pink, mint, purple, and yellow, and they're all so cute. And then we have them on a sticker sheet as well. I was just feeling really inspired since I organized my planner cart. So if you guys haven't seen my last video, be sure and check that out if you want to see a little tour of what I have on my cart. But it does kind of look like this a little bit, except mine is white. So see, that's what I put here for when I filmed my video. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so we also have this magnetic diamond pin that we have restocked in the shop. A lot of you guys have been asking because I have this on my planner. You've seen it in some of my videos. It's an enamel pin, but let me just take it out. Instead of poking a hole, oh goodness, you can just use this magnetic back and put it wherever you like. I don't know why, I'm just gonna put it here. That's cool. But yeah, and then you can easily remove it and you don't have to worry about poking through your purse or your planner, whatever you're gonna put it on. And it is gold, as you can see. And then the color inside the diamond is glittery. It's really pretty. So if you want to grab one of these while we still have them in stock, they are available in our specialty section. And before I show you all the monthlies, let's look at the new pencil boards. So we have two new designs, and these are printed on cardstock. They are not laminated. We have all the sizes available. So we've got A6, weeks, B6, and A5 or Hobonichi cousin. And they all have this black and white polka dot pattern on the back. And the cool thing about these is you can also use them. Okay, so like it functions as a writing board. You can put it behind your page and it just gives you a flatter surface to write on, and it kind of prevents the indentation that happens when you're writing. It can sometimes imprint onto the next page. So if you put this behind there, it can help with that. But also it has a little tab on there, so when you have it in your planner, it functions as a page marker. So we've got this planner cart design, and we also have another one which features our 2023 artwork with our characters, and then the planner shelf design. So we've got the A6, weeks, B6, and A5, and I love the back. It has this really pretty plaid pattern which matches our Besties collection. It's super cute. I love all the purple. I've been vibing with purple lately. Okay, so let's move on to the monthly sticker kits. So we have a lot of formats available. This is standard vertical on top here, which is a 2-page kit. And I'll show you how this fits in just a moment. So we've got standard vertical, we have Hobonichi A6 now that we've added. I'm so excited. And we have them for both the English and Japanese formats. We also have Hobonichi Weeks monthly kits, Hobonichi Cousin, and Print Pression B6 hardbound, Spiral, and Weeks. And these actually come with little numbers because those planners are undated. So let me show you how these work. All right, this is the Merry Christmas monthly kit, and I have it here in the standard vertical planner so you can see what this looks like all laid out. So our monthly kits do not come with a month label because we want y'all to be able to use this for whatever month you decide. So you can pair our monthly kits with monthly stickers if you like. The listings will have these clear foil month overlay stickers so you can easily add them to your cart. We have a couple different sizes. There's also some other monthly stickers available in our shop. We have these 2 different styles on clear. This one is our new neon bubble letter, and I have that here. It looks really cool. So I also have the Merry Christmas kit in my A6, and the Hobonichi kits do not come with date numbers because the Hobonichi planner comes dated, but I just like to cover them up because it looks nice. So I paired it with our Hollow Star date dots, and I think it's super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go through and show you all of the different formats for our monthly kits laid out in their planners. So I showed you guys the standard vertical, and there's someone doing yard work outside. I don't know if you can hear that, but anyway, we're just gonna move on. So we have this monthly kit in the Hobonichi English, so you can see what that format looks like. Here's the Japanese, Hobonichi Weeks, and Hobonichi Cousin. And then let me show you the print pression sizes. So this is the print pression Weeks, and they do come with numbers. Print Pression B6 hardbound, and then Print Pression B6 spiral. I'm sure some of these kits could be easily modified to fit in whatever kind of planner that you have, but we do offer, as you can see, a lot of different formats, and I hope you guys can find something that will work for you. But I'm so excited about now having Hobonichi A6 monthly kits, yay! So we have this Merry Christmas kit in all the other sizes that I mentioned. We also have some other themes, so let me go through them. This is Santa's Workshop, and we also did the Meowie Catmas collection. So this is available in all of our monthly kits now. It's so cute. And then we have Home for the Holidays. I love this one. This washi is so cute. And then Gnome for the Holidays. And I think that's it. Yeah, so we've added all the rest of our new Christmas monthly kits, and there's the new Hobonichi A6 format, so I'm excited about that. And I was going to do a monthly plan with me, but I got so excited I went ahead and laid out November and December, and I didn't film it, but I thought it would be fun to do a spread in my cousin for you guys. I've had some people ask, and I do use this. It's more for personal use. I don't really show a whole lot of it because it's not very pretty, but I do have some weekly spreads I can show you that don't look too horrible. Where I actually tried, but yeah, I haven't been using the dailies. It's just too big. I don't really need this much space. And I haven't been using the monthlies, but maybe I will now. So let's go ahead and lay one out. So I'm gonna do the Merry Christmas kit. I just really like the way that looks with the neon lettering. And I grabbed both of these because I can't decide. I have the neon numbers to go with that, but I might use these. These are hollow foiled. Let me just lay this out first and maybe I'll make a decision along the way. And I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay, when I do this gigantic washi strip, I'm gonna line it up along the long edge. Makes it a little bit easier to make it straight. And the way these are cut, you'll have one long piece that can go on the right side at the bottom. And you can write your notes, goals, whatever. And then over here, these are cut with a little slit, so they're separate. And then that way, if the month happens to have a date down here, like this one, it won't be a problem to just leave that off. But you can also easily piece it together and it will look like one long sticker. And I mean, you don't have to put these here at the bottom. You could put them in on certain days. I'm just showing you like how this was intended when we designed it. Okay, I'm going to put this pink one down for my sister's birthday. And we'll do red for Christmas. And then Hanukkah begins on the 18th. So let me put that down. I'll do this light blue for Christmas Eve. And then New Year's Eve. And I know we're gonna have some shop stuff planned, but honestly, I haven't even thought that far ahead yet. So I'm just gonna leave these stickers off. I'll save them, and then when I need them, I'll put them down. But I will go ahead and put at the bottom where I'm gonna be writing in my goals for the month. And then I'll make this space on this side for notes. Well, let me bring that up a little bit so it's even with the other one. Okay, and I think, let's see. Let me put down my December sticker. So I could put this here, or I could put it up at the top. I think I'll put it up at the top. And I am gonna use these. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit more. I need to write in my holidays or whatever. Let me grab a pen. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think it's super cute. It's very festive. And I don't know, I think maybe this will help me use my monthly spread a little bit more and plan my month a little bit better. I need to be planning ahead, don't I? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!